In this video, I will show you how to embed YouTube Shorts in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over to your Shopify dashboard and then click on this Customize right here. Once you have done that, it will show you the Shopify editor on your actual store. Now, what you can do is you can click on this Add section right here on your homepage or any page that you want to add a video. Now, in here, scroll down until you can see the option for video. Click on that, and then this will add the section on your page. Now let's click on the video right here, and then this will open the settings for that video. So you can actually embed a video from a URL. Like for example, let's choose to use this video right here of a shorts. Click on the share button, click on copy right here, and we should be able to remove this link right here and then paste our actual short link. But as you can see, this link is invalid. This is because this is a YouTube shorts and not a YouTube video itself. So what we can do is we can actually just use the Shopify hosted video. We can select this video right here. Now let's just head over and upload the video that we want. Now on this one, we just need to upload the video. Let's head over and click on this one, and then let's click on open. And then this will upload this video for us. So let's just wait for this. And then once it's done processing, we should be able to add it. Once you have added the specific video, you should be able to see the actual video in here on your Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.